Amber Heard caught Johnny Depp at his lowest and ended marriage. Days later, Betty Sue died, and on his daughter's birthday, he filed a restraining order. On April 17, 2016, the news came that his ex-wife, Amber Heard, had filed for divorce, citing their official separation date. Johnny Depp's mother had died just 2 days before. On April 20th, Depp was questioned about his mother's death during his second day of testifying in the defamation action against him and his ex-wife. The Sleepy Hollow star said that his mother, Betty Sue Palmer, died in May 2016 due to a medical ailment. Everything changed on May 27, 2016, according to Depp. The actor was devastated, crushed, and disheartened after receiving a succession of unpleasant news and accusations. Johnny Depp claimed it was crazy to hear Amber Heard's heinous claims, adding, "No matter what happens, I did come here and I did tell the truth." The judgment in Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's libel trial was in Depp's favor. In essence, the jury agreed with Heard's 2018 opinion post regarding spousal violence and awarded her more than $10 million in damages. In a libel trial, Johnny Depp testified. Both performers testified extensively about their abusive relationship. In response to Amber Heard's allegations of violence and his history of drug misuse, Johnny Depp claimed in court, "The only person I ever abused in my life is myself." In front of the jury, Amber Heard stated that her ex-husband knows he's lying, else, why can't he look at me? Hearing Heard's accusations against him has been crazy, according to the Finding Neverland star. "It's insane to hear such awful claims of violence, sexual violence, that she's imputed to me. Nobody appreciates having to split oneself open and disclose the truth. However, there are occasions when one must." He described his time in court as ridiculous, embarrassing, terrible, nasty, unimaginably brutal and horrible, in addition to declaring everything mentioned against him fake. Depp went on to say that he has never engaged in sexual abuse, physical abuse, or any of the other ridiculous charges leveled against him. Meanwhile, Depp and his late mother had a tight relationship. The 59-year-old actor gets Betty Sue tattooed on his left upper arm twice, once in the late 1980s and again in 1995. Even better, he spent over $1 million to purchase a 43-acre farm in Kentucky for his mother. What more has occurred in the Amber Depp case? In previous evidence, Johnny Depp claimed that Amber Heard assaulted him viciously, and he claimed that her 2018 Washington Post op-ed in which she defined herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse harmed his acting career. Heard did not specifically name Depp, but according to Depp's lawyers, when she obtained a restraining order in 2016, she made claims against him without naming him. According to Heard's lawyers, the chocolate actor frequently used drink and drugs to the point of blacking out and losing all memory of his conduct, and he lacks credibility when he denies abusing Heard. His previous testimony described the couple's tumultuous marriage. He denied previously abusing Heard. According to the actor, Heard assaulted him viciously and was a drug user. Despite admitting to consuming a lot of drugs, he claimed the drug addiction claims leveled against him were grossly inflated. "No human being is flawless," Depp added, refuting the charges once more.